the black gold. No other commodities can compete with its indispensability in the global economy. BizBeat, the insight you need. I'm Lily Lyu. China surpassed the United States in 2017 to become the world's largest oil importer. Nevertheless, the top two traditional price benchmarks, the Brent and WTI crude, are both in dollars, which means importers across the world will have to buy dollars in order to conduct oil deals. Now that's changed since March 26, 2018. Exactly 3 years ago, when China launched its crude oil futures trading to trade oil in Chinese yuan. And by realizing the convertibility between oil and the RMB, this can facilitate the internationalization of the yuan, break the greenback's monopoly power in global crude pricing, and give China and Asia more power in pricing crude. The move was embraced by huge interest from traders. Even during the worst of the pandemic in 2020, when international crude oil futures prices collapsed, the existence of the RMB crude futures helped to stabilize the Asia-Pacific market, especially in China. Now, this allowed the new market to gain confidence from global investors. Activity in China's oil futures market has risen to record levels. Open interest in oil futures on the Shanghai International Energy Exchange, which is a measure of total number of contracts outstanding, leaped to a daily average of 118,249 in year 2020. That is 4 times higher than in 2019. Trading volumes climbed more than 20% on the year. Some analysts say that this means that both the Brent and WTI benchmarks would closely follow movements of the RMB-denominated crude oil futures market. And many people expect that China's crude oil futures, along with the Brent and WTI, will become the world's 3 major oil price benchmarks. While the renminbi's prominence will only grow with China's consumption. And according to BP, its demand will increase over 30% to 753 million tons per year by 2040. The RMB crude oil futures was the first futures variety on the Chinese mainland that opened to foreign investors. It can let China bypass the petrodollar system. And furthermore, China launched RMB-denominated low-sulfur fuel oil futures and copper futures last year, both open to foreign traders. This power will let China increase the clout of the yuan in the global financial system, and some say this may be the single biggest change in capital markets of all time.